Last night, flight 2394 landed in Ben Gurion Airport, Tel Aviv, on a mission to bring Fijians home. As you may have heard in the news, Israel is now in a state of war, an escalation that has not been experienced for quite some time now. I'm pleased to report the successful repatriation of a special Fiji Airways flight, which will land in 90 at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. This flight not only brought back 198 of our fellow Fijians, but also 13 Fijians who were pursuing their studies in agriculture in Israel. They joined diverse groups of international travelers on the same flight. They are 13 Australians, 16 New Zealanders, 8 Samoans, 2 Canadians, 2 Filipinos, and 2 Americans. Excuse me. Now, such a vast and varied repatriation stands as a testament to our nation's commitments to the welfare of its citizens and a demonstration of our international solidarity. Ladies and gentlemen, the safety and well-being of our citizens, both within our borders and abroad, remains the paramount priority of the Fijian government under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka. In steadfast collaboration with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we have maintained active communications with the Israeli government amidst the ongoing conflict situation. We have also put our National Integrated Coordination Center on high alert to monitor the situation in Israel. A team comprising of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the RFMF, and the police met this morning to discuss our options and our next steps. The audacious commitment of Fiji Airways, especially the valiant crew members who chose to fly into a nation at war, cannot be overstated. Their unyielding courage reflects the Fijian spirit of resilience and commitment, proving that the safety of our people is paramount. Their bravery stands as a testament in Fiji's dedication and the lengths we are willing to go to protect and care for our own. Our vigilance continues. We are in ongoing coordination with the IDF and the Israeli government officials and international entities to locate and support Fijians who may still be in the Middle East, including those serving in the UN missions such as in UNIFIL, in UNDOF, in ANSO, the MFO, and our Guard Force in Iraq. The stories of resilience, unity, and courage from our repatriated citizens and those still serving overseas bolster our national resolve. This operation and our ongoing efforts emphasize Fiji's commitment to its people, but our place as a responsible global actor and our unyielding Fijian spirit. I speak on all our behalf, and I'm sure the Prime Minister is going to say this later on tomorrow morning when he goes to meet our repatriated citizens in Nandi, that we salute Fiji Airways, its brave crew, and every individual and entity that contributed to this mission. Together, we will continue to stand strong and united. May God bless Fiji and fortify our global alliance during these challenging times. And we continue to pray for the safety and well-being of our fellow Fijians who are still in the Middle East. And it is our commitment that if need be, to bring them home. Thank you.